Last week, I made a video of this really cool pull station, and I actually wanted to see about, what's on the inside of the pull station. I did this before, and I had no problems with it, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you it. So basically, this is basically just a generic one. You can see it's just a conventional manual call point. And it's just unmarked. It's not branded by anything. It's just a generic BG12 pull station. So that's really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart for you, show you what's inside. But anyways, pulls just like that. And then I take the key that came with it, the 615 key, stick it in there. And then, really cool. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up by sticking my key in there. And of course the door can come off like that. So here's the door. Let me take the key out. And here's the pull station itself. Oh, you can see it's just a spring-loaded one. So basically, here it is. You got that spring-loaded thing here, like that. And it comes off if I can, yeah, like that. It can pop off like that. And here we got a spring-loaded thing here, and this pull station can come out this handle. And here's this. If I can, there's the spring here. Here, that's the spring here. And basically, this is the handle of the pull station. Really cool. There's the activated sign. And yeah, I'm not going to go any further into this now, but I do plan on, turning this into a cool switch. That'd be interesting. That'd be funny. I think about taking this part down, but I haven't gotten around to doing it yet. So basically, there it is. Of course, here's our screw. It's the key. It's held on by this hex bolt here. I don't know if I can take that off. It's kind of hard to do with the maybe I am gonna just. It's kind of hard to do. There we go. And here we go. There's the itself. It's really cool. Ooh, you can stick your key in there. Yep, really cool. Ooh, and turn it all you want. Really, you can it's super cool. You can do that. Yeah, like that. Anyway, let's go ahead and put this back together. But first of all, let's go ahead and let me figure out where I put, there it is. So, anyway, this is all of the pieces of the pull station. So let's go ahead and put it back together. First of all, I'm gonna put this back. It's pretty easy to put back in, as it just puts in like that. And this piece stops it from flopping back up. And now we can go ahead and stick this back. And now, there we go. And now we can put this hook up the spring back up. Oh, kind of hard to do with one hand. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Hold on. Alright, I got this in. And now I'm gonna go ahead and try to put in the cover back on, which I just did. And so now we got that in, and now I'm gonna have to put the key back in. I want to make sure it's the right way, because I know I have to make sure that that's the right way, so it's up when it's locked, and then on the side, like up when it's unlocked, and to the side when it's not locked, or when it's not unlocked or locked. I'm gonna just, alright, we got the key in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the hex and put the hex bolt back on. Make sure that's nice and tight so this ain't going anywhere. Alright, let me twist it so that way it won't be shaky. And now we can go ahead and pop this back onto the other side, but I'm gonna have to use both hands. And now we got it done, so we can give it a test pull, and then we can unlock it here. And there we go. Really cool.